Welcome to Maryland HVAC Repair. Today I'll show you how to use the ACCA duct sizing calculator, a tool used to size round and rectangular ducts based on airflow, velocity, and friction rate. Let's break it down step by step. Front side, duct sizing calculations. This is where you do most of your sizing. Center of the tool, the top arrow shows the round duct diameter. The middle area shows rectangular and square duct sizes. Inner circle. You'll also see CFM, cubic feet per minute, and FPM, feet per minute, measured here. These values help you match airflow and velocity to the proper duct size. Outer ring, you'll find different friction rates, which help you adjust your duct size depending on whether you're using flexible, duct board, or sheet metal. Flip to the back. Auxiliary calculations. The back is called the auxiliary calculations side. It helps you read rectangular duct dimensions more clearly. Match velocity and friction rate with airflow. It's great for fine-tuning and double-checking your selections. Final tip: make sure you're aligning the correct CFM, friction rate, and velocity for the type of duct material you're using. Flexible ducts, for example, usually require a lower velocity and have a higher friction rate. This calculator is a must-have when you're out in the field or preparing for your HVAC exam. Get our HVAC book to learn more. https://ACCO4V. Visit https://marylandhvac Subscribe to https://www.youtube.com/@marylandhvacrepair. See you in the next lesson.